Isn't Google Ads a waste of money? I've tried it and it never worked. Okay. Um, 98% of Google's revenue is generated through Google Ads or Google AdWords as it used to be before. If it didn't work, I'm certain that the whole world would not be spending and investing money in Google Ads. It does work. It could be that you've not done it the right way. It may well be that you have hired somebody who doesn't know much about Google Ads, hasn't got much experience, but it's not only about Google Ads, it's about your product, your website, your offer, your prices as well. Google can send you unlimited amount of traffic to your website, but if you have got a website which is very slow, the user experience on their website is very bad. The pricing is not right for that audience, be it high or be it low. Where sometimes the cheap prices also don't work. It doesn't mean that you are cheap, you are going to get a lot of customers. In fact, quite often when you find that you're giving it away for free and people don't want it, so there must be something wrong in the offer, right? The headline, the copy, the video, there's so many different variables, and you got to go one thing at a time and exclude them from that list. So let's start from the ad. When the ad shows, is it being shown to the right people or the audience? If yes, and you're confident, yes, these are my keywords or these are my target in market audience or custom audience, and I'm showing these people on my ads to them. The second thing you want to look at is, are they clicking on it or not? If they are clicking on it, that means they like what they see on the ad. And then the ball is in your court. Google has done its job. Google has sent that relevant person to your website. Now it is your response, well, the ability to convert it through a great offer, a great website. So, absolutely not. The other thing which most people feel that they are wasting a lot of money is during the testing phase. If you haven't run Google Ads before, you need to test first. Without testing, you don't know what's going to happen. Testing stage needs a certain amount of budget. It does not mean you are wasting money. What you need to do is you need to allocate a certain amount of budget which you are comfortable to throw at Google or spend on Google to buy that artificial intelligence from Google to see what's working and what's not working and cut out all the wastage going forward, and then keep on optimizing. So the optimization process does take a bit of time. If it was a case of what anyone switching on a campaign and making a profitable ROI from day one, then the whole world will be millionaires and we will not get any comments or questions like this on the internet that Google, Facebook is a scam, it doesn't work, they've spent all my budget, I didn't get any conversions, and so on. So you can't blame Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and all these platforms. These are just channels and platforms which will where you can buy traffic. Once you buy traffic, you get through um, to your website and convert them. If you were a restaurant owner and you got thousands of people walking by and you're thinking, why aren't they coming inside? It could be that the decor is not right, the front door signage is not good, there's some kind of smell which is putting people off. So it's not the people outside, it's just that your restaurant is not what they where they want to go, or even if they do come in and your service is not good, food doesn't taste good or smell good, then there's lots of ways you will lose customers. And this is what happens when on Google, and especially when it's digital marketing, you got to check off all these boxes to make sure that your campaign and your sales funnel is fully optimized and there are no leakages in your sales funnel. And very few people pay any attention to setting up a really good sales funnel. All they do is switch on an ad campaign and expect miracles. So, in my humble opinion, no, it's not a waste of money.